Dear students, how are you? I am fine. Now I will teach you grammar, narration, English, second part, class 9. Now look at this passage. The teacher said to the boy, "Do you think that honesty is the best policy?" The boy said, "Yes, sir, I think so." "Then learn to be honest from your boyhood," said the teacher. "Thank you, sir." Okay, said the boy. "May Allah grant you a long life," said the teacher. আমরা যখন প্যাসেজ নারেশন চেঞ্জ করব, ডিরেক্ট থেকে ইনডিরেক্ট করব, তখন প্যাসেজটা you have to read fully the passage and find out the speaker. এখানে স্পিকারকে the teacher said to the boy. তাহলে the teacher said to, "Do you think that honesty is the best policy?" This is interrogative sentence. And asked instead of said to পরিবর্তে asked the boy. Okay, said to পরিবর্তে asked the boy, comma if, comma পরিবর্তে if. Interrogative sentence you will write comma পরিবর্তে if. Subject you, whose person, which person it is? It's the second person. Second person object কে ধরবে, তাহলে you, the boy, তাহলে he. Okay, he think. If the verb is present form, will be past form. Thought. If thought that. Okay, honesty is the best policy. It's a universal truth. So there is no change. That honesty is the best policy. Okay, is এখানে was হবে না, because it is this sentence is universal truth. Then the boy said, "Yes, sir." The boy, sir, yes, sir, and পরিবর্তে respectfully, and then yes, replied in the affirmative. The boy respectfully replied in the affirmative. Replied in the affirmative and said that or that I first person is first person, then subject the boy, he think present form will be past form, thought. He thought so. Okay, then learn to be honest from your boyhood, said the teacher. কে বলছে তোমরা? Who has said this sentence? The teacher. The teacher, and this sentence is imperative. Okay, the teacher learn to be honest from your boyhood. This sentence is advised. Here, speaker advised. The teacher advised advised কাকে অ্যাডভাইস করছে the boy that is advised the boy to then learn to be honest from you the boy, okay, you possessive, so the boy pronoun he and his boyhood, okay. Say the teacher, thank you sir, said the boy. The boy sir respectfully. The boy respectfully thanked will be past form. Thanked. The boy respectfully thanked him. অর্থাৎ স্যারকে ধন্যবাদ জানালো। The boy respectfully thanked him. Okay, may Allah grant you a long life, said the teacher. তাহলে এখানে the teacher তাকে বললো the boy কে, and this sentence is operative sentence. Operative sentence সেন্ট্রাল পরিবর্তে কি বসে wished বা prayed. The teacher wished or prayed that Allah, এখানে Allah subject Allah, Allah might grant you him a long life. Okay, it's not difficult to them. If you learn this passage in this way, how to change the sentence, I again said the sentence. The teacher said to the boy, the teacher asked the boy, because this sentence is interrogative. If you, the boy, well, he has a thought, okay, thought that honesty is the best policy. This sentence is universal too, okay. A sentence পরিবর্তন হবে না। The boy respectfully replied the affirmative that. Respectfully এখানে কি আছে স্যার, yes আছে, replied the affirmative. Common will tell that he is going to he thought so. The teacher advised the boy. This sentence is imperative, okay, and the teacher advised the boy to learn to be honest. অথবা দি আগাইস লো, এটা আমরা দিতে পারি। Then to learn to be honest from you his boyhood. The boy respectfully thanked him. Thank him হলো subject, thank এর past form object. Thank him. The teacher wished that this sentence is operative, okay. Operative sentence, subject then wished or prayed, that subject Allah might grant you him a long life, okay. আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো। এইভাবে তোমরা যদি প্র্যাকটিস করো, একটু কষ্ট করো, আশা করি সবাই ভালো করে এইভাবে প্রেজেন্টেশন তোমরা করতে পারবে। ওকে, সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।